Hi guys, welcome to Linux YouTube channel. My name is Ram Mishra and I'm your online instructor. So what's in this video? In this video I will tell you lastcomm command in Linux. So guys, let's begin the topic. But before start the lab session, we need to understand few points, which is what is lastcomm command and its use cases. So lastcomm is a command line tool that shows a listing of last command executed on a Linux system. It is a part of act package and it reads the binary file that contains the list of executed command usually located at var packed or var account packed location, right? Lastcom command provide a list of all commands on the system, including the date and the time of execution, time of the command, and the username of the user who run the command and the command that was executed. The output can be very useful for auditing and troubleshooting purpose, as it can help identify what command have been executed, when and by whom. So in this demo, I will teach you how to use lastcom command in RHEL-based machine, right? So let's begin the lab session, and you can see this is my VMware workstation, and currently I'm in my Linux virtual machine. So let me show you the OS release version first. So I'll go with the cat etc red hat release. Currently you can see I'm using RHEL 9.02, right? Before run the command, we need to check act package availability and service status using the following command: rpm query. The package name is psa pack double ct. Yes. So you can see that the package is by default available and installed in RHEL-based machine. But due to any reason, if it is not there, then we can use DNF or yum command line tool to install this package on RHEL-based machine using yum install command line tool. Or if you are working with the Ubuntu-based machine, you can go with apt-get command, right? Let's check the service status using the systemctl command. Systemctl status ps act. See, currently you can see that it's disabled by default and inactive. And so next task would be we need to enable and activate it, right? So systemctl, we can go with enable hyphen hyphen now. Okay, started. Let's check the status. See, currently active as well as enable, right? So now it's active and enable. We are ready to go with the last com command. So let's talk about some common use cases of lastcom command. First case is run the lastcom command without any option. So let me run some command first that it will generate some history. Then we will go with the lastcom command to check what the output we are getting from the terminal, right? So let me go with user add command demo. I'll make a demo user. Let me give the password with the passwd command demo. Okay, I'll give the password, and then let me go with the date command. Yeah, that's sufficient. So here I make a demo user with the password and run simple date command, and let's see what happened once I run lastcom command without any option. So if I go with lastcom command, oh my god, you can see that we have a large output, right? Here you can see, let me make it easy for you. So here you can see that the date command and the passwd command, right? So here the command are there, user add command are there, right? So let's understand. So here we can see all previous executed command output, which is the recorded in var account pack file, right, or pack location. So let's understand the last command output. So we have a different column, 1 2 3 4 5 different columns are there, right? The first field or first column is the command name of the process, whatever the command I'm going to be execute, right? So these are the command which is executed by a particular user. So first is the command of the process. Second field, this entire column represent the flag. Like here you can say S is there, sometime F is there. So what is capital S or capital F, or might be sometime you will see capital X also. So S represent command executed by the super user. F command executed after a fork but without a following execution, exe. And capital X represent command was terminated with the signal term, right? With the signal term. And the third one, this is the username. That's a user who is currently executing that command. Currently, in this case, is root who run that process. Then the terminal and the date and time, right? So that is the default behavior of last com command output. So let's move to the second use case, which is display the command executed by a particular user, not by the all user, right? So let me log into the 4 terminal with the demo user and run the following command. So how I can log into the 4 terminal? So I'll go with run the command chvt4, change virtual terminal to the 4. I'm press enter. Now I'm on my black screen on my office on my command based environment. Let me log in with demo user, give the password, and okay, I'm logged in. Let me run the mkdir command, mkdir date. Let me run the date command. Let me run the cal command. Okay, that's sufficient. Let me go back on the second console. That's my graphical base console. So I'm back on my graphical console, and now let's run the lastcomm command only for the demo user, not for the all user. So if I go with the lastcomm command, it will show me the all entry. But now I'll go with the particular user, that is demo. So hyphen hyphen user and the username demo. So now you can see here the output of executed command only by the demo user, not for the all users. So if I scroll down, here you will see the list like chvt command on terminal 4, cal command terminal 4, date command terminal 4, mkdir command on terminal 4, the date and time, right? So that's a second use case. Let's move to the third use case, which is very, very important. Display the specified command executed on the system, not by the user, only the specified command. Let me check the information about the command name, for example, date command executed by which user on which terminal. So we can grab this information from lastcomm command also, again using the lastcomm and only the command name. That's it. So here you can see that date command is executed by root user as well as the demo user on the different terminal, and the given date time is there. So that is very, very important. Lastcomm and the command, whatever the command, right? Similarly, we have another use case, which is display the command executed on specified terminal. We can specify particular terminal, what command executed by which one person. So suppose I want to show all the command who executed on terminal 4, then we can also use lastcomm command using this pattern. Lastcomm hyphen hyphen terminal tty and the tty4, the 4 terminal. So once I press enter, see all commands here, we can see history. Here's the history of all those commands. Those were executed in 4 terminal via different users. So currently I'm only logging with here is the date command for root and all the demo user, right? Even we can putting it all together, like to find out which user used command user del and which user were logged into the terminal 4. So let me run the user del command first. I'll go with user del command. Say I want to remove the username Ram. Ram is already a normal user which is accessing my machine. So currently I go with ID Ram. Here the Ram is there. User del hyphen R Ram. So I just remove the wrong user entry from root user account, right? So we can putting it all together. So I'll go with lastcomm command, and I said user del on term and the output of 4 terminal, right? So once I press enter, here you can say all of the history of 4 terminal as well as user del command execution. So user del command will go with the root user, and that is pts0, that's p pseudo terminal 0 and the output of 4 terminal, right? So these all are very useful use cases for Linux admin for their day-to-day work routine. And for more information about lastcomm command, please go with the man documentation. So I'll go with man lastcomm command. Here's the documentation. Print out information about the previously executed command, and these are the options: command name, username, terminal, and options are there. Right. So guys, that's all about this demo. And finally, this is the end of this topic, and hopefully you enjoyed and learned new things. Soon I will come up with another new interesting topic. Till then, keep practicing. If you feel something I have missed or you wanted to know more something else, please reach out to me through my social media links, which is mentioned in the description. And if you like this video, please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel, and press the bell icon button for the latest update. Thanks for watching. Stay safe and goodbye.